find your way back home. Until you find your way back home.
Yo, what is going on today, guys? It's Joker Atkinson. Thank you guys for stopping by and checking out another video. Really appreciate it. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing my 6-inch rough country lift kit. I'm not putting it on for a few more weeks, but I just want to unbox it, make sure everything is there, all the pieces and parts. If not, I have time to send it back or whatever if I need to. Hopefully that's not the case, and just want to make sure everything's there, because that would suck if I took it apart and I was like missing something stupid. That would really suck. So we're just gonna be unboxing my lift kit. God dang, this thing is dirty. Needs a bath. Might be washing the truck too.
But you switch up cause I'm nice, I got link, it's on 40 in my right car. Bitches crazy, I like I ain't all this. Getting money, nigga, that my main focus.
That song is so fire. It's definitely my favorite song right now. I don't really listen to rap that much, so if I do listen to rap, it's like only a select few songs. I really like that song, Notice by Lil Mosey. It's pretty nice. That sticker was terrible to take off because it was just in so many little pieces, but it's finally off. So yeah, now you guys can resume back to watching the original reason that you clicked on this video. So this box appears to be a skid plate. Definitely what that is. Yep, definitely the new skid plate. I'm not sure if this is new, because in the other rough country videos I did not see a cutout. Is this like just an empty box to like give space or something? Empty box. Hopefully nothing was supposed to be in there. Alright, see, I was getting nervous for a minute because it says a 3rd gen Tacoma, but over here it says 2005 to 15. So, got our strut spacers. These ones look different than the ones in the videos I saw too, but I mean, that's okay. Looks like rough country stickers rolled up. Lift spacers with the bolts needed. I think it's a steering stop bracket or something like that. Not 100% sure. Locks. My lifted shocks, or no, these aren't lifted, these are just the rear shocks, my bad. Alright. Also, everybody's saying that I'm stupid for getting a drop bracket lift. I plan on buying coilovers like way down the road. So, this stuff is actually in here like really nicely. Like the packaging is really great. It's really nice in there. It's not just thrown together. The video that I watched, it was kind of an older video, but it was like the same generation Tacoma. So maybe they updated the kit since then to make the design a little bit better. I'm not sure. This looks like our cross members. This box kind of a little smashed. Self-tap bolts for these. So basically this is the box with all the stuff that requires the drilling and cutting. Because for those of you that don't know, you have to cut the cross member on the truck so you can get the drive shaft to go down. Oh yeah, these are a lot beefier than the ones that are on the truck right now, I can tell you that. And yeah, that box is literally just the knuckles. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. As always, rate, comment, subscribe. Be looking out for the next video.
Shit, Ho got a hell of a grip. It's never a problem till niggas is ballin' and bitches they all wanna stick. I lickety split in the whip with my niggas, my family, my clique. And the broker's a joke, so I never be sleeping till I know I'm waking up rich.